The easiest way to get rid of fruit flies is with a trap made from a jar and a paper funnel. Fill your jar about halfway full with something sweet like fruit, honey, or juice. Then roll a piece of paper into a funnel, making sure that the narrow end of the funnel is small enough to fit into the mouth of the bottle or jar. Use tape to secure the funnel. Place the funnel into the opening of the bottle or jar and leave your fruit fly trap out overnight. The fruit flies will be attracted to the smell of the sweet bait and will fly into the jar. The narrow opening of the funnel will trap them. Leave the trap out overnight. Each morning, pour some soapy water into your jar to kill the fruit flies and discard the solution into the trash. Refill the trap and place it out again. Continue to use your trap until you stop seeing fruit flies getting caught inside of it.